How to fix deadlock detected error in Path of Exile 2. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the deadlock detected error in Path of Exile 2. Make sure you follow these instructions very carefully. A deadlock happens when two or more processes are waiting for each other to release resources. Each process holds something the other needs, so nothing can continue. When the system detects the situation, it shows the deadlock detected error to prevent the game from freezing. In many cases, you can actually ignore the error the first time it appears. Do not click OK immediately. Instead, let the game continue launching and create your character first. After creating your character, click OK on the error message. Close the game and launch the game again. For many players, the error does not appear again after this first step. If the issue continues, try updating your graphic drivers. Download and install any available updates, then relaunch the game. Another fix is detecting the game settings folder. Go to directory, then users, tap on your username, then documents, and then my games. Look for the Path of Exile 2 folder and delete it. This will reset the game settings to default. Keep in mind that your key bindings and custom settings will also be removed. After deleting this folder, launch the game again. In most cases, simply ignoring the error the first time creating a character and restarting the game is enough to stop the deadlock detected error from appearing again. And that's it. That's how you can fix deadlock detected error in Path of Exile 2. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more game fixes.